Hello everyone. This application is all about search and filter messages in the Discuss module. This app helps the user for searching the messages in the Discuss app. User can easily search and discuss the content or message using the search bar and track their communication history. This is for Odoo 16 enterprise version and this can be used for the community version also. And now I will show how this application will be working. First, we need to go inside the Discuss module. You will be able to see there is a general channel. You can create a general channel and add the team members to particular channel. And if the direct messages is there, you can click on that particular person name. You can send it the direct message to that particular person. In general tab, you can see all the messages will be displayed like this. And if you want to search any particular message in this communication history, you can just do it in three ways. You can search through the subject, you can search through the content, and you can search through the author. So based on these three, you can search in this particular filter. So now I will show how we can search. I'll be taking this particular word, that is growth, and I will click on the search bar up here. You can see there is a search content and search subject and search author. So based on these three, I'm clicking on search content. So I'm searching this content for growth. So wherever the message growth is there, it will be getting filtered up and coming here like this. So you will be able to view this particular content. If you want to search for any subject, that is a welcome to Odoo like that, you can, if you want to search it by subject, you can click on the search bar and type the message and search subject for welcome. You can see here the subject welcome to Odoo will be appearing. If you want to search any author, so based on the author, if you want to search, then you can click on this particular search author for Odoo, and you can see wherever the Odoo will be there, automatically it will be filtered up and coming up in this discuss module. So this is regarding the auto filter messages in the discuss module. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.